Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to do the steam boiler cleaning in our steam hot water machine. It is important to do this procedure when the machine is cold. Ensure to have water in the water tank in the back and that the dirty water tray is empty. With the machine off, you have to press the water button, and while you keep pressed the water button, you switch on the machine, always with your finger on the water button, and you keep the water button pressed until you get the red-green light flashing. Then you can release it. In this stage, the machine is putting water in the boiler, so it's preparing itself to get clean. When we reach the correct temperature in the boiler, this light will turn from red-green flashing to green-blue flashing. After 5-10 minutes, you will see the light has turned green-blue flashing. Now we are ready to release the water from our boiler. So using a screwdriver, we slowly open the screw that is located on the front panel of the machine. So we slowly turn it. Do this operation carefully because we are releasing hot water from the boiler. So it has to be done slowly. It has to be done slowly for that reason. So you open completely slowly the nut located in front so that all the water is released from the boiler. Then you close again the nut because we need to close again the boiler. And we empty the hot water. We can do this operation manually also when the light is red-green, but if you do it when the light is red-green, for the software you haven't done anything. So that is why it's important that you wait this condition. So, green-blue flashing, open the valve, release the water from the boiler, close the valve, and then press and release the water button. In this way, we reload water in the boiler and the procedure is completed. You will see that when the pump has finished to pump water in the boiler, we will have a normal green light flashing and the machine is getting ready. Thank you.